All right, let's take a look at this thing here. So I had the AL 1100 set up and connected to the network, and these are the property settings. Obviously, I've disconnected it so that I can take the other AL 1100 that we have connected to the network now, uh, which is going to be right here. We're going to take this one and we're going to assign it this information and see if it's just as simple as that, as assigning this other master on the network to match the same settings as this one. So let's take a look. We're going to go offline. Hey, well, where do I get to go offline? Come on, TIA portal. There we go. And all right, so we're offline. And what I want to do is I want to open up the settings. And I think this should be hopefully this easy, but we'll find out. These are the settings for the one that was there. And what I want to do is I want to come up here and now I'm going to right click on it, assign device name, update list. It should pull in, there we go. Let me find this one right here. Now because these settings are already over here for the properties of this, I should be able to just assign these settings to the AL 1100. It was successful. We're going to close. Shouldn't even have to really write anything to it. If I just go back online, look at that. Still something that it doesn't like about it. We'll give it a moment. Let's see. All right, found the issue, and look, everything's perfect. So yeah, when you do that swap, you obviously should have your IO-Link sensors plugged into the replacement device, or else it's going to cause a fault for those ports. So simply assigning that new block once you take the other one off via the steps previously works. Make sure that everything that was connected before is now connected to the new master, and everything should be good to go moving forward and swapping out the block. Thank you for your time and have a good rest of your day.